Hi, this is Steve Caldwell, and today I'm going to show you how you can take an external controller that's on your desktop, MIDI controller, and use it to emulate keystrokes within an application that you may have. In this example, I'm going to emulate the Control Z function, which is an undo function in many applications. And for those Mac users out there, it'd probably be Command Z. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead. I've got a project open, but it's all blank. You can see nothing is here. I'll need to define an incoming MIDI port, and I have a launch control that I have on my desktop, so I'm going to use that for this example. I don't need to create a MIDI output because I'm not going to be outputting MIDI. I'm going to be outputting keystrokes. I'll also open a view of a log file, a log window, so we can see what's going on. So with that, we'll add a preset or a translator, and we will call that undo. And let me turn on my webcam so you can see the controller itself. And I am going to capture, hopefully you can see that, I'm going to capture the incoming MIDI from that controller by pushing a button. So I push the capture key here. Over on the MIDI controller itself, I push the first button, and you can see what that is. It's a note on message. I release that, and then I will take that translator, and on the output I'm going to make it a Control Z. So I go to outgoing, I select a keystroke, I'm going to use physical key, and on my computer keyboard I'll type Control Z. And that's all there is to it, really. And if you see, if I push the button again, you can see it's putting out a Control Z. And to demonstrate further on how this works, I can go into an application. This is just a simple editor application. I can type some text, and if you look at the menu here, the undo function is Control Z. I'm not going to do it here. I'm going to use my external controller to do it. And there it works. So that's all there is to it, and you could do this for a redo function perhaps on the second button. You could do it for a number of other things, backspace, anything you want pretty much. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoy. And if you have any other questions, feel free to join us at www.bome.com. Thank you.